Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this first day of your very short work week. Now at the moment the pattern is very settled once again, not too much going on across South Africa, although it has become cloudy in places overnight along parts of the eastern escarpment, and along with that a little bit of drizzle and fog is possible, although that will be clearing out later on. Partly cloudy conditions for the rest of South Africa. It's going to be another warm day for most areas and temperatures will be somewhat higher near the southern coastline for today than what they were yesterday. We have a cold front approaching from the west that's already starting to push in cooler air from the Atlantic, and that's also going to result in cloudy skies developing this evening along that western coastline. We will see the rainfall pushing in overnight and into tomorrow. Now for today we're expecting just this slight chance for light rain over the far eastern parts of the country, including some areas in KwaZulu-Natal and the escarpment areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, a fairly typical pattern in that region. These conditions are expected to gradually clear during the course of the day, although it will remain partly cloudy well into tonight. Our temperature map for this afternoon indicating another warm to hot day across the northern parts of the country, and we'll see temperatures quite a bit higher in the South George, getting up to 27 degrees. A warmer day as well for Pietermaritzburg at 28 after a fairly cool day yesterday. Cape Town on the other hand a little bit cooler at 23, and a lovely day in Gauteng. Pretoria at 29, Johannesburg also getting to a very pleasant 27. Now let's take a look at our detailed coastal conditions, and here we can see westerly winds are starting to move in. This is a sign that winter's really on its way as these winds start to turn to the west. Swells at 2 meters in the open ocean with 2 to 5 foot breakers along the shore. Very similar swells expected as we head further south. Here we can see westerly to northwesterly winds. These winds are going to become fresh at times around Cape Agulhas as we head into this evening. Along the southern coastline, mainly light winds are forecast, 20 kilometers per hour for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. Swells also at 2 meters, a long period of about 16 seconds. This may result in fairly rough conditions on some beaches. And along the eastern coastline, we're expecting light winds to extend across this area. Easterly to northeasterly winds in the forecast, and very low swells expected for Durban, averaging at only 1 meter. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.